आरम्भं करोमि वा महोदय? स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। इदानीं प्रार्थना वदामि। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
सरस्वती
नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी
विद्यारम्भं
विद्यारम्भं
करिष्यामि
करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु
विष्णु गुरुर्देवो
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवादः। So in the last class we were seeing the small sentences that we will continue again. Then we will go back to the rest of the portion. Read the following sentences. I'll just first read the sentences, then one by one you can repeat. First one. Mama nama Sharanaha. Mama nama Sharanaha. Tava nama kim? Bhavataha nama kim? Third one. Bhavataha nama kim? Fourth one. Tava pituhu nama kim? Tava pituhu nama kim? Fifth one. Bhavataha pituhu nama kim? Bhavataha pituhu nama kim? Sundar Mahodaya, could you please read the line of sentences?
Mama nama Sharanaha. Tava nama kim? Bhavataha nama kim? Tava pituhu nama kim? Bhavataha pituhu nama kim?
Uttama. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavad.
The second one. Tava matuhu nama kim? Tava matuhu nama kim? Bhavataha matuhu nama kim? Bhavataha matuhu nama kim? Bhavan kim karoti? Bhavan kim karoti? Aham patami. Aham patami. Aham khadami. Fifth one. Aham khadami. Balasubramanya Mahodaya, could you please read the sentences?
Yeah. Tava matuhu nama kim? Bhavataha matuhu nama kim? Bhavan kim karoti? Aham patami. Aham khadami.
Uttama. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. The next slide. Yeshaha mama pita. Yeshaha mama pita. Yesha mama mata. Yesha mama mata. Yeshaha mama patihi. एषः मम पतिः, एषा मम सहोदरी, एषा मम सहोदरी, एषः मम सहोदरः, एषः मम सहोदरः. माधवी भगिनी.
एषः मम पिता, एषा मम माता, एषः मम पतिः, एषा मम सहोदरी, एषः मम सहोदरः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
अयम् अजः, अयम् अजः. सेकेंड वन, अयम् गजः, अयम् गजः. थर्ड वन, एषा लता, एषा मम माता, एषा लता, एषा मम माता. सा वीणा, सा वीणा, सा मम भगिनी, सा मम भगिनी. फिफ्थ वन, मम देशः भारतः, मम देशः भारतः. Geeta is traveling, she said. So I will ask Mr. Sriramji.
Yes, I am Ajah, I am Gajah, Esha Lata, Esha Mama Mata, Sa Veena, Sa Mama Bhagini, Mama Deshah Bharatah.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Sa mama bhagini, ba, not dirgha.
Sa Mama Bhagini, sorry.
Uttamam, it's okay. Uttamam, dhanyawad Mahodaya. So we stopped here in this slide. Okay, now we will see conjunct consonants. That is samyukta vyanjanani. We can say samyukta aksharani. Two or more consonants joined without the intervention of any vowel make conjunct consonants. So we'll see the example. Two or more consonants joined without the intervention of any vowel. So in between, without any vowel, if the two letters are joined, then it is called conjunct consonants. Example, we'll see ik plus ka. So we know that answer ik, ikka. But how it comes means, okay, it is ik plus ka, ka. So the example that it is given here, how it is formed. So the ik plus ka, that ka is written as again ik plus a. That we have already seen. No, I mean with consonants, how the vowels are written along with the consonant. Kaka, kiki. So ka means ik plus a. Ka means ik plus a. So that we have already learned. So in this case, ikka, how it is formed? So the first one, the yellow one, that ik, that is the first consonant. The second one, ik plus ka, the second consonant, second, the red color. So both combined. So there is no vowel in between them. So the resultant letter is ikka. So that we call it as samyukta aksharam. Samyukta aksharam, we call it ikka. So if we say ikka means it is the samyukta aksharam. Two letters two consonants joined, but without the intervention of the vowel. So ik is the first consonant. Again, ik is the second last consonant. In between there is no vowel. So the resultant is ikka, samyukta aksharam. Last consonant is that which is followed by the vowel. Consonants which precedes the last consonants are pure consonants and is written half. The red ik is written, this yellow one, sorry. The yellow one is written half because there is no vowel attached to it. So it is written ik plus ka. So I will show you. I have one Pravesha book. I will just show you the book, how the words are, the samyukta letters are formed. Actually, it is in Can you see the page now?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the page now? Okay, 1 minute. Now, I just wanted to ensure it whether the sharing is there.
Yeah, now
So
we
can
can
you see
see
the
it.
page? Ah, okay.
Yes, yes.
So actually, it is in Tamil. Those portion you can just neglect. If you see, because I thought it will be little bit more helpful. So I thought of sharing this. If you want, I can post it in the group also. Actually, no, it is given all the 33 how the half letter should be written. If the first series, second series, all the series, you can omit the Tamil portion and you can concentrate on the Devanagari portion. The first one, first ka, so how the ka is written. I mean, for a half letter, how it should be written is given. So only the first portion, the left portion is given, the second portion is not given. So like that, we have to write the half ka. The second one, second ka, the generally for, I mean, one basic rule is that straight line, no, that vertical line will be dropped. That is the basic one, but of course, don't ask me in this why it is not dropped, because the first one, I think Y is also will be same. That is why for ka, it is not dropped. Okay. For the second ka, see that vertical line is dropped. So we have to write the rest of the letter. Then third ga, vertical is dropped. Only the smaller one is written. Like that, ig, the fourth one, vertical is dropped. The rest you have to write. For ing, for nya, ing, no, actually it is not nya, sorry. Ing, so we can, there is no vertical line, but generally it is written fully. That is why the dash is there. So whenever, when it comes in between, we have to write the ing, I mean nya, and put one slash underneath. So that we will use it in Hindi also, no? So that is the same format. So for this, there is no half letter. So we have to, wherever there is no half letter, we have to put that slash underneath. For it, the vertical is dropped, rest. The second, it. So the small vertical is dropped. Ij. The same thing. For this, the fourth one, chatted that the id. For that, it has to be written fully. So there is no half or anything. It has to be written fully. Then inj. That straight line is dropped. For it, you have to write fully. So wherever it comes, you have to write fully and put one slash underneath. The second tie is also like that. The third id, like that. The fourth one is also same. For in, we have to drop the horizontal letter, and the rest of the portion we have to, that U portion we have to write. It is like that. Then second tie, so for both the vertical line is dropped. Id you have to write fully. Then fourth id, vertical is dropped. In, for in, we have to, vertical is dropped, only that small portion, no, that horizontal small, the portion that has to be written. If you see the example, we can very well understand. Then if, same thing, this dropped. For the second if, there is, you have to write fully. There is no other go. Then ib. For ib, vertical is dropped, only the round and one slash underneath. Within the circle. So that has to be written. Only this portion, vertical, need not write. Then fourth ib, vertical is dropped. Im, for that also, vertical is dropped, the rest portion. Then E. only half the portion vertical drop. For il, we have to write in a different model that we will see. Then il. For il, we have to write, for this, instead of writing the 3 fully, only small portion is written. That also we will see in the example. If only the small circle, that vertical is dropped. Ish, for that also the same thing. Then second ish, for that vertical is dropped. Yes, vertical is dropped. The rest you have to write. If you have to write fully. I think for me, I thought it will be very helpful. Any doubt in that? We will see the examples at that time. You can fully understand. Any doubt in this?
No, madam.
No. Okay. Shall I proceed then? Okay.
Yes.
So now, if we see now we will see the example. Sorry, that vertical is dropped. So half you have to write and pair. I think it got cut off. I was not aware. Rio, can you see the slide now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, we can see the slide.
Okay. I think if one of you on, unmute, so that I'll be able to know. I think, if it is if it gets cut, because I was going on taking, then only suddenly I felt that there is no. I mean, whether you are online or not, then I saw it got cut off. Okay, I will this one, no, im plus pa, I was telling. This im, that half portion generally should touch the second full letter. It is a general rule, except one or two will be different. Ish plus na. That ish also, that vertical is dropped, then na. Then ik plus la. Ik we have written half, then la. This ig plus ma. So you may ask why it is not, that ig is not touching, because we can very well this portion is dropped, vertical portion. So we can now know that because there is no other letter similar to this letter. So we will know that it is the ig. So igma. Then il ya. Il and ya. That ya should touch the il. Generally, that il will be written slightly below the horizontal line. Any doubt in this? Hari Om? Shall I
No, madam.
proceed?
No,
Or,
no. Yeah, no,
okay.
madam. No doubt.
Okay. Okay. Then in plus na. Il. So in this also, only the U portion has to be written. Then the second one, and as like ig, it is also not touching, no, because there is no other letter like that. So you can easily identify it is in. Then il plus la, illa. Then in plus cha, in cha, in cha. Then is plus ta. Is the vertical is not there, is then ta. That horizontal line should touch the ta. Then ip plus ya. Ip ya. Then id plus ma. So we already saw that id has to be written fully, no? So so in that case, right, if we don't put the slash underneath, we may in Samskrtam we will read da ma. So that is why you have to put one line. Then we will know it is id ma. There is another way also that we will see in the other slides. This is id ma. Then in cha. Last in the previous slide also it was there. So in cha. Then ev ya. So this ev only the circle is written. That ya should touch the circle. So that is the rule. Then id the. It is written like this. Id first id because it is the consonant, you have to put the slash. Then second one is gunika aksharam, so we have to write fully the. Id the. Then in ma. So in has to be written like this. Then ma. So that in has to touch the ma. In ma. Then id plus va. It has to be written fully. Then ra. It plus ra. So these are different letters. These are some specific letters like this 3-4 letters are there. So this is one of the letters. It plus ra, we generally write tra. So in the shlokas now you would have seen this letter very much. So it is the samyukta aksharam it plus ra, tra. Then im plus ib, ba actually it is. So im plus ba, im ba. So you need not take it as a consonant. Then it plus cha, it cha. Then in plus ha. It has to be written in, then ha. Ha that ha has to touch the in portion. Shall I continue or any doubt in this?
Continue, madam.
Okay, thank you. I think same slide only. Then ish plus ra, shra. This is also another samyukta aksharam, shra. Like we'll like no Sri Rama Jayam like that. In this this is the ish plus ra. It's a samyukta aksharam. So it's a different way, a special way of writing this letter. Then you can write, by omitting the vertical line and half is the ish and ra separately also you can write. Another form is shra, this form. So generally in all the books this is only followed. The ish, yeah, that ish, no, like this only it will be written for shra also, but we generally we don't follow this shra separate samyukta aksharam we are using shra. Then sha, ish, yeah. So here also it did not touch because it's a specific letter, so not necessary. Sha. Ish, va. This half portion, then va. Then ich, ya. Then that ya should touch the he portion. If it touches, then you will understand that it is the half letter. Otherwise, you have to write on slash. I think some printing mistake. So otherwise, if you can write on slash and ya separately. Or if the ya touches ha means you need not put the slash. It is understood. It is the half letter. The ya. So either you can put the slash or it can touch the ya portion. Both are same. Then ig plus na. Then it plus ma. So for ta, straight line is dropped, vertical is dropped. So the rest of the portion and full ma. Ik plus ta. Ikta. Then it plus ta. The first one slash, second one we have to write fully. Because we have put slash, we need not, this second ta need not touch the, this one, first one, that consonant. Ik plus sa, iksa. Then it plus cha. So the first one half, second one full, cha. Then ik plus ka. Ik, the first portion is a half letter, second one is a full ka. This full ka should touch the half the ik portion. Then you, yeah, same thing. You circle, then yeah. Then ish, na. So ish, that na is written. Can anyone tell me why the horizontal line is not on ish? Anyone? Can anyone tell me why because the horizontal line is only on top of na. It is not on ish. Why? Can anyone tell me?
Because original alphabet ish itself does not have it on the first part, and the vertical line is not there in the conjunct form.
Yes, it is almost correct. Dhanyawad, Bhagini. I mean that it is there is a bend, no, on top of it. So generally we don't put horizontal on top of the bend. So that is why, except one or two, like wood or sometimes we will do, but ish and all, no, we will not put. That is why it is not given there. So only a na portion, because there is a straight line, we are putting horizontal line. It's correct, Bhagini. So that is why it is not written on top of ish. Then is plus na. Is na. Then ik, second ka. So we saw now we have to write this much, leaving only the horizontal portion and ya, kya. Then if pa. If half, if, then pa. Then if na. That if na is also another way. It is there. I think it is in the slide. I think I will show you. Otherwise, if you want, I can write it. Do you want me to write it in the paper?
Maybe not needed, madam.
This ich. This is actually ich. But okay, ich, then na is written. So for this, you can write in another form that I will show you. Ich, then na, sorry. Ich, na. So you can write like this. The inside ha, that na portion is there. So if it is like this, no, that full letter we have to read it as half. This ra portion we have to read it fully. So this is ich na. So like this we have to write. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
We are on the whiteboard screen.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Hariom, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. We can see the screen.
Madhav Bagidi, can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Madhav Bagini, I'm not able to hear. Can anyone unmute and tell me whether you can see the screen?
Yeah, we can see the screen.
We can see the screen.
No, I'm not getting.
We can see the screen, madam.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. I think you are not able
Madhav
to,
Bagini, I'm not getting the.
you are not able to hear us. We can hear
I
you.
can see you're talking, but I'm not getting the speech.
We can hear you.
Sriram Mahodaya, can you hear me?
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Yes, I'm not able to hear you. Yes, correct. Don't know what is the problem. Can you talk now? Let me see whether I can hear you.
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Are you able to hear us?
Okay, I will disconnect and come back again because I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am.